We have 4 gray whales here. I love when they all surface at once. You see all those glows together. That allows you to count them a little bit better. So this gray whale census happens all along the coast, and there are volunteers. I'm going to show you in a second. And we got a fluke. So a fluke is another name for a whale.
Watch out for the waves. Hold on.
There's going to be a big wave here, so make sure you're holding on tight. So a gray whale's fluke, a whale's fluke or tail is really important for them. And they move their tail up and down to swim forward through the water.
Juveniles. I don't think there's a cow-calf egg yet. I wish there was, man. Well, I'm one and done. I got too much to do today. I got chores. Come on, we want to breach.
So a whale's tail helps it swim forward through the water. It's going to move its tail up and down to go forward. And the fluke or the tail is also really important.
Are they going to take
for
the
us.
lost spot on the next
When you
trip?
take a photograph of a whale's
So we can be
tail,
late.
it can help you identify them as unique individuals. Every whale has a tail that's slightly different. It has different markings on it, different scars and notches. And these help us identify a unique individual whale. And their flukes can be compared to like a human's